Hi everyone, welcome to Get Ready with me, Louise. So today we're going to do a very simple look because, well, I'm tired. And after this, I have to go to my son's house and help him again. So it's a simple look. And the palette my daughter chose. And I am grateful because it is a nice and easy palette. And she was wanting me to kind of live out my pink fantasy, but it didn't quite deliver that, unfortunately. But it turned out pretty good. It's not as pink as I wanted it because, I'm wearing a pretty bright pink shirt, but it worked nonetheless. So, the first shade we're going to go into is this pretty pink. That one there. It's just a light pink. So, y'all, my tongue is red because my fiance brought me a Slurpee. And it's so good. So good. I will say, though, if you are wanting to do a quick, easy look, this palette delivers. This palette more than delivers, really. Look at that lid. Look at this lid. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. I forgot how well this brand can deliver a metallic shade, to be honest. It's a good brand. It really is. However, I don't know how I'm going to give clues once again. It's so hard to give clues because, I don't want to give it away. And generally, I know that even given number, how many pans, it could possibly give it away. But at the same time, there's just so many palettes out there, it could be anything, I try to narrow it down, like high-end drugstore type of thing. By the way, first clue, this would be considered drugstore. So, it's drugstore pricing. I guess affordable. But see, is it affordable? Because sometimes drugstore can be, quite pricey, to be honest. I really like this color. I like this color and the fact of it being, it can be as light as you want it. Just a light, my wording is not good today. A light fuchsia color, I guess. Just a light whatever color. Very light. Yeah, that's it. I don't know. Or you can build it up. But anywho, it's been a long day. I forgot what today even is, okay? That is how bad. I forgot what day of the week we were on. I know, right? How'd that happen? I don't know. The next shade we're going to go into is this one right here. It's like a red brown, like a brick maybe? I don't know. I don't know how you would describe that one. It looks a lot darker in the pan though, as you can see. Huh, I got stray hairs on my rougher brush. Really need to wash them. What else can I give you about this brand? Their colors are pigmented, for sure, in their palettes, but easily blendable. They blend like a dream for the most part. I would say, is it a beginner-friendly brand? I kind of think. If you pick it up and just tap your brush off, and even if, build it up like that. But even if you go in with a heavy hand, hold on, like this, it's easy to blend. So I would say that, yeah, this is a beginner-friendly brand even. Their packaging is cute. Always cute. Nice artwork on it. So that's good. It's travel friendly. This is the darkest color in the palette, so Your looks are going to kind of, run the same in theory. Your lid shade could change. This could be an all-in-one palette for me. However, doing this look, it was not. I had to pull my highlighter in for my inner corner. But other than that, it's beginner friendly. It's an all-in-one palette for me. But yeah, I've got so much to do. And I'll be honest, the older I get, the more I realize how time is not my friend. Time is not my friend at all. The next shade we're going to go into, I'm going to put on my bottom lash line, is this color. I think that would make a really pretty blush too. I don't know if I could do that. I might want to try that though, because I do think it would make a pretty blush. And then your cheeks could match your eyes, even if depending on how you did your look. But like, I never have enough time in the day. Never. No matter, like, I could get up at 5 a.m. and somehow, some way, I am still running behind. Now, I do realize that a lot of that is my time management. I'm not good with that. I'm really not. I used to be. But now, I guess maybe age, I don't know. I get to the point where I'm like, I'll get to it when I get to it, Which then leads me to always running behind. Not the best idea, I know, but it kind of just is what it is. The last shade we're going to go into is this one here. And it's such a pretty, look at that. Oh my gosh, this brand. Like, I don't know how they do it with their price and create something like that. That shade is just amazing. And I'm just going to pat it on my eyes. I'm not going to put any glitter glue. I did get a little bit of fallout. It did brush away. Man, I can't talk today. Don't worry, my cat's below me, aggravating me. I don't understand this cat. Every time I film, he has to get under my chair. Sometimes he'll swat at me. Sometimes he'll leave me alone. Most of the time he don't leave me alone. But I just don't understand his obsession with being here when I'm filming. It's beyond me. Sometimes I'd like to be able to do a live just to see how long, like if he'd come in here and I actually do a live for like an hour or something, if he'd stay the whole hour. Because I've never seen anything like him. And he will not leave my side until I'm done. Until I turn everything off. It is the craziest thing. So, anywho. What have you all been doing? Anything fun? Summer's coming. Kids will be out of school soon. That's great for me. Maybe. I don't know. Not for sure on that one yet. Usually my kids are really good though, so. But then, they start to get bored is my problem. And I'm like, what do you want me to do? Luckily, we do live right beside a park. So that does help. It helps a lot. Now I'm just going to take my highlighter, which is the Michaela and Glam Light one. I'm just going to pop it in my inner corner. That's the highlighter I used today on my face. So, because there's nothing light enough in this palette, and I have to have a bright inner corner. I just have to. Like, it's an obsession. I can't tell you why, but it is what it is. For my waterline, I use the Benefit Roller Lash Eye Bright Pencil. That's not eyelash, is it? It's the Benefit Roller Eye Bright Pencil. It's not the Roller Lash. Okay, anywho. For top mascara, I'm going to use the black YSL today because I really wanted to see, like, the difference in the black and then the brown. And like I suspected, the brown just makes it more subtle, your eye look. That's all it does. And it's really a very light. It's not even, I don't know. I've now decided it's all about color for me. I want a brown. I want to see the brown, not necessarily definition and stuff. Or like lighter look and stuff. So, and that's more like a brown black. Will I use it? Yes. Because I love the formula. Will I repurchase it in the brown? Probably not. Will I repurchase this in the black? Yes. But, yeah, I don't know. But this was an easy eye look to create, and I think it's a beautiful eye look, too. To be honest. I almost think I can create this same eye look using a Pat McGrath palette. And this one is way cheaper. And I don't think nobody could tell. Well, maybe. Alright. For bottom lashes, I'm going to use the Lancome Depth and Seals. I don't know. But I will say that it's making me wonder about the rest of this brand's palettes on how quick I could do a look. Because sometimes, you know, I need to sit down and be done. And, well, even though that's impossible for me, like 30 minutes is, you know, if I'm not doing hardly anything, that's me. Because when I sit down and do my makeup, it's like it's me time. Because it kind of is. Whether I have to do it, like, well, I don't ever have to do it, but like, if I'm doing it to go out, it's still me time, so I still need however much time I want, you know? But this is the final look using this palette. Quick, easy, to the point kind of look. It does give you some definition. It's not going to give you much. Again, that's the darkest shade in this palette. What did I say? So for brand, let's see. It's easy to travel with. Drugstore / affordable makeup. It's considered. And the packaging is stunning. The artwork on it. So there's your clues. Good luck. I kind of think somebody would nail it though. Again, I just feel like the lid gives it away. This metallic shade. Because I don't know that many brands that can do that at an affordable pricing. But they can, and they do. Anyway, so that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed this. If you can guess the palette, put it down in the comments below. Good luck. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, ring the bell, hit all that you're notified when I upload. I upload every day but Sunday. And I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.